Managing coral cultivation with koralDose. The Coral Core AP allows you to manage dosing pumps quickly and efficiently. Power on. Connect koralDose to the power supply. Then press and hold the power button at the top left for 3 seconds. Wait for the power and Bluetooth indicator lights to turn on, indicating that the device has been successfully powered on. The blinking Bluetooth indicator light signifies signal transmission and reception, which is a normal operation. Its intuitive interface combined with multiple scheduling options enhances the joy of coral cultivation. Tap on the koralDose device from the homepage to enter the koralDose main page. Before using the koralDose device, ensure it is connected. If it is not connected, tap the Bluetooth icon in the top right corner. When the icon turns green, the connection is successful. Now let's explore the koralDose interface. First, there's the device name, which helps you identify each device. Next is the associated tank, used for precise device management. Tapping the star icon allows you to set the device as a frequently used device or a general device. Tapping the menu icon lets you edit the device, delete the device, or restore factory settings. The Bluetooth icon lets you connect or disconnect Bluetooth. Finally, there's the operation area for the 4 pump heads. This area displays detailed information for each pump head, including dosing head position, additive name, schedule type, schedule date, today's scheduled dosing volume. Run button. Tap the pump head to operate at the default speed. Tap it again to stop. Finally, tapping a pump head will take you to its settings page. koralDose Setup Edit. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner to access advanced settings. Select Edit to modify the koralDose name. Its assigned tank, and the delay time between pump heads. The pump head delay setting is designed to prevent interactions between different additives being dosed simultaneously. You can set a delay time between dosing heads with a maximum delay of 5 minutes. koralDose Setup. Delete. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Delete to remove the device. koralDose Setup. Reset. Tap Restore Default Settings to clear all settings and tank assignments for the koralDose device. However, the device's registration information will be retained. In this case, the device will appear under Unassigned Tanks on the homepage. Pump head setup. Before use, the pump head can be configured with its additive name and the preset speed for the Run button. On the koralDose main page, tap the blank area to the right of the pump head to access the pump head settings page. Then, tap the menu icon in the top right corner to configure the settings. You can select an existing additive or tap the green plus icon at the bottom right to add a new type of additive. Next, choose the preset speed with options for high, medium, and low speeds. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner to complete the setup. Calibration. Pump heads should be recalibrated after a period of use. Frequent calibration helps improve the accuracy of the dosing pump, and it is recommended to recalibrate at least once every month, 30 days. On the koralDose main page, tap the blank area to the right of the pump head to access the pump head settings. Press the next icon next to Recent Calibration Records to begin calibration. Then, tap Calibration in the top right corner to proceed. Follow the instructions to prepare a measuring cylinder and install the silicone tubing. Remove any air from the silicone tubing and fill it with liquid. Select the speed and click the next icon to start calibration. Wait for 20 seconds. Observe the dosing volume and enter the measured value. Finally, click Complete Calibration to finish the process. The latest calibration information will be displayed on the pump head settings page.